Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Thursday. It's Mrs. Stein, and I'm thrilled to be with you today to talk a little bit about World Kindness Week. So if you did not know already, this week in January, we celebrate kindness and how it makes our school, our community, and our world a great place to be. And I stand here with this fabulous backdrop that Miss Duong just added in our office. If you haven't seen it, BCS is a better place because you are here. So let's go out in the school and see if we can find some ways that there is awesome acts of kindness happening and making us better. We are back. I am here with Daphne from Miss Llewellyn's 5th grade class. And Daphne, I have a very important question for you. Why is showing kindness important?
Because if you aren't kind to other people, their feelings will get hurt, and then those feelings will start to build up, and then they won't want to come to school anymore, and that can really affect their future in their career.
Wow. What a powerful answer. There is a domino effect from feeling kindness and acceptance and wanting to come to school and learning and growing. And then when you don't feel that same kindness, it could negatively affect your future. Great answer. So what is one way you've seen kindness in our school and the impact?
So in my class, I've seen a lot of people helping each other with work that they don't understand, or if they fall, they help them up, ask if they're okay. If someone makes a mess, everybody helps clean it up. And overall, everybody's just pretty nice to each other.
Those are some great examples. Do you think you have to be in 5th grade to show kindness? No. Some of the things I heard Daphne say, when friends fall down, we can help them get up. When they need help with their work, we can show them maybe what to do or try to re-explain. Anyone in any grade level could show kindness and do that with their friends. When we notice someone's playing alone at recess, we can invite them to join. All sorts of acts of kindness we can do in our school to make sure that we are creating our community where everyone is nice and they belong. That's our number one goal here. Be kind, be you, be here, and we all belong. So as we celebrate World Kindness Week, continue to talk in your classrooms with your teacher and each other about ways you show kindness, because Daphne and I would love to hear more about it, wouldn't we?